everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How you sleep last night?
Was good.
Very
well.
Good for you. And me, I have a problem with my eye cause about yesterday mock to it. Cause my eye work too hard or something. But after sleep, I will feel better and okay. I think I lose some of my brain also. It knocked me out. Okay, back to presentation for today. Okay, today I want to share to you about some parts of a chemical. And today I want to share for you about extraction and isolation of anthocyanins from propofol corn. Okay. Somebody wanted to know why I forgot on anthocyanins. Corn is a mean sun. Sun. I forgot on sun. Okay, corn. Because corn is after you take it 6 off, that is the waste and throw away. But you know that corn have a lot of benefits. Chemistry is called anthocyanin. Okay. Next. That is one interesting about anthocyanin. Anthocyanin, we focus on biological activity. You see, they're very important. Okay, anti-inflammatory. You know about anti-inflammatory. Okay, and antioxidant, anti-mutagenic, and whatever a lot. Sorry. You see, some can, treat for diabetes type 2. I never know that the diabetes have a type 1 or type 2. Okay. The doctor never tell us about what is diabetes. We get it type 1 or type 2. Okay. And next, maybe protect for heart attack. Because anthocyanin can systemic circulate in the body. I will explain for us, for you, for everybody later. Okay. And in the last is antimicrobial. And I forgot antimicrobial in the body. That is a pathogen. It's a normal flora, especially in the we call Candida or Candida acis. Okay, focus on the presentation. I would like to share for you about this. It's a very important to extraction. Anthocyanin, I focus on anthocyanin from the corn, or anthocyanin from another vegetable or food, that the similar. Okay, and the first I want to talk about extraction. What is the definition of extraction? Extraction means define or treatment of depend on animal tissue extract. Okay. Maybe you use the animal or plants you want extraction or add in the intermediate phase or the bottom and add some solvent to extraction. That's called process of extraction. Okay, let's step to the extraction. Okay. In the corn, Sorry. The cup is very hard. Very hard. Before extract, we must to make a powder by the mortar process. To make many sulfate to extract. Step 2, after you make the powder, you have to put the powder in the intermediate fast or something else like this and cross it out. The best solvent to attack is acidified 80% methanol to attack anthocyanin. You can use another solvent, but less than to use 80% acidified methanol. Why acidify? What acidify mean? Did you know? What acidify mean? Okay, acid. Okay, good.
Then why we use 80% of methanol? I can use 60%.
Yes, but this is condition to get the anthocyanin, the best get to anthocyanin. The acid we use that citric acid. Citric acid is produced from food or vegetables.
Strong smell.
A little bit smell. Strong smell is acetic acid. Acetic acid is strong smell. Okay, you have to keep around 24 hours or more than 5. But have to keep on temperature is low temperature around 4 or 6 degrees Celsius to keep it. Who can tell me? Why to keep a low temperature? If who is the correct answer, tomorrow I will give you some gift.
I will come back class.
Can you tell me why the condition is a low temperature? For what?
For the activity.
Activity. Okay. Yes, some low temperature is for if a high temperature will cause anthocyanin degradation, means decompose or something. That's why we keep in low temperature.
To protect the solution.
Yes, to protect. Yes. Okay. Tomorrow I will give you some gift. Okay. Please don't worry me. Okay. Okay. The step 3. After you extraction, okay, leave it on 24 in the configurator or temperature control 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. After that, you have to filtration by vacuum filtration, okay, to throw in the funnel. Inside the funnel you have Watchman filter paper number 1. Okay. Why we use a vacuum? For what? Can I filter by cavity? Can?
I know the techniques or the diameter of the filter paper.
Not yet. Oh yes, I don't know how to call it. Tomorrow, I will give you some gift. Vacuum can, filter is faster than cavity. Okay. And after filter, okay. After filter, we will eliminate the solvent with extraction process is methanol by rotary evaporator. This is the rotary evaporator. Okay. After the eliminate methanol, we will rust it. The remain intact we will evaporate via a fish dryer. Okay. That the temperature is -50 degrees Celsius. I have a question. Why we need after I eliminate solvent methanol? Why need evaporate via a fish dryer?
Make them dry as possible.
Yes. Okay. That's correct. Make the powder and we still have a water inside. Need to freeze dry to make it the atmosphere. No.
Sorry. I want to know the methanol can to fit in the powder.
No. That's why. Because not only absolute methanol, right? But you see, I told you the extract with 80%. 80% methanol means you have only methanol?
Methanol 80% and stearic 10 ml.
Yes.
And the water is 10, right?
No. 80% methanol means you have methanol 80 and 20% is water. Right? Water. Okay. And in the citric acid has the water too. Are you here? What?
After this.
Okay. Let's go on. Okay, this is summary. We have an attention 4 step. Okay? We have a 4 step. I tell you already why keep in the temperature. I want to ask your question again. Why keep in a low temperature?
Teacher, excuse me, I have one more question. After have it to powder form in that bottle, yes, and how to get out the powder from the bottle.
How to get out?
Yes.
I will tell you next. Okay, not done about this. Okay, the next extraction. I will teach you about isolation. Okay, and then I will tell you how to get it out. Okay. Any question? And I give you a question. You still don't answer on me. Why keep in a low temperature? Did you? For what? Necessary.
To maintain the quality of antioxidant.
Yes. Okay. And quality of antioxidant, those antioxidant degradation, okay, or decompose, much to keep on a low temperature. Okay. in the presentation, I want to let you know about isolation. Okay, have a lot of meaning about isolation, but in chemistry, isolation is the means process to separate the chemical we need. When you extraction or plant or the tissue animal or whatever, you get a phytochemical that have a lot of chemistry. But now we want the anthocyanin. We need to separate by isolation. Isolation have several techniques, but you have to pick one is correct. Okay. That's the meaning isolation in the chemistry. Okay. You see in the first step, is the back sample. Okay. After you elute the solvent, the first solvent, you can separate the GL1. Okay. The step. And this one, you use another solvent. You can separate the red one. And this is another solvent. You can use the blue one. That we call isolation to separate chemical. Okay, let's talk about process of isolation of anthocyanin from glucocorticoid. Okay. The first, we have to pick, as I told you before, you have to pick the material or equipment, the right one. I pick the equipment to separate anthocyanin. You know, anthocyanin is very hard to separate. You must to pick the equipment correct one. I pick column. We call column chromatography. The first and very important, if you don't go packing in the column, okay, the chemical or phytochem you need or separate not easy. The very important first, you have to containing silica gel. Content that is called silica gel. Silica gel is material for separate. Okay. In the bottom, we have a cotton. Silica gel is the powder, regular powder, not is a small mass. Okay. And on the top and protect to the surface of silica gel, we have to put some side. And the circle radius to put on solvent we want to use. In the first step, we have to pass in these 2 column volume of absolute methanol for make it silica gel one here is smooth, not cracked. If you crack it, when you separate, we'll have many type of chemical will elute it together. Okay, that is very important to packing the column. Okay. Then we have to wash methanol by the distilled water, deionized distilled water. One in the column for T column. What does T column mean? On the top, you add some deionized distilled water, and you drain it in the bottle for T column to wash methanol. Okay. Do you know about why we use deionized distilled water? Do you know about that? No. Okay. Because ion in the water have ion. We need in the process start from accretion or isolation need a distilled water and deionize because ion in the water. Okay. Coming up is so fast, okay? Okay. Because ion in the water have a react with the anthocyanin that will decompose into cyanin. In the condition we need deionization distilled water. Let's next step. This is a step you give me a question. Okay? I will explain for you how to take a powder, right, out of the bottle. That we put some solvent to dissolve that powder. Okay, that is we will separate. We dissolve with in this experiment dissolve with methanol because we extraction by methanol. We have to dissolve by methanol and pour in the top of a silica packing, and then the chemical we don't need. We have to remove it by the solvent, polarity, the same polarity, such as the sugar and acid. That is polarity or non-polarity. Sugar and acid, polar or non-polar. Polar or non. You give knowledge basic chemical to your teacher. Maybe Ajahn he expert here. just easy. I ask body sugar and acid is polar or non-polar.
Non-polar for sugar.
Polar, not non-polar. Ajahn, sorry. You don't give my gift for me. Okay.
No gifts for me. For
Sugar and acid is polar. Okay. High polar. We need the solvent is correct. Is polar too. That is water. Water is a solvent polar. Polar. For dilute the chemical we don't need. Okay. I don't need sugar and acid. Okay. Remove it. Okay. With what? With acidified deionized water. And next, I don't need about phenolic and flavanol. The same question again. Phenolic and flavanol is a polar or non-polar?
Non-polar.
I know, you guess it, right? Still polar, but less than sugar and acid. Okay, less than. That's why I choose solvent ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate is a product too, but less than water. Water is the high polar to elute. You see, the third step we elute the chemical we don't want. That is phenolic acid and flavanol. remove it. Okay. Now we focus. That is last step. Collected anthocyanins. Collected anthocyanin. The remain is the anthocyanin in loose form, acidified methanol. Acidified methanol. We will get anthocyanin. Okay, now by column chromatography. Okay, this summarize. Okay, we have four steps. Include the packing the column. Okay, and I show you about 3 steps. First, eliminate sugar, remove sugar and acid by showing is acidified DL9. Okay, and remove about phenolic and flavonoid by ethyl acetate. The last one, we get anthocyanin. Okay, we get anthocyanin. That is the clue for get the anthocyanin, but we cannot prove it that we get anthocyanin. We have to prove it anthocyanin or not anthocyanin. Now easy question. How elute anthocyanin by column chromatography?
Yes.
Lose with a solvent usually. Methanol that is not compete.
Acidified methanol.
Okay, they correct. Acidified methanol. Why is acidified methanol? Condition extract anthocyanin, low temperature and condition is acid to make anthocyanin is stable. Okay, I will show you a little bit so quickly because Ajahn show me a ton. Okay. Okay. This is the percentage we extract about anthocyanin by column chromatography. We get it 8% U. Okay, and to make sure that we separate that anthocyanin, we have to identify and characterize it by several techniques like the pH indicator, UV, temperature chromatography, high pressure chromatography, or something like that. I will show you quickly. That anthocyanin is an indicator. Indicator means different color from the acid and base. If the acid will make a color is red to purple, and its base is green, blue, whatever. If you check indicator that is sample change the color in the acid and base, that is not 100% sure that is anthocyanin. You have to another equipment like UV visible to absorb around wavelength in 500 to 560. The best proof that anthocyanin is used equipment is high pressure liquid chromatography, or we call HPLC. They're very expensive to check this sample, maybe 10,000 or something like that. Okay, that is the anthocyanin. Anthocyanin acts from purple is anthocyanin have many types of anthocyanin. We get a percentage, more percentage is cyanidine triglyceride, and threonine and pyridine triglyceride. Any question?
Not yet. Maybe next class.
Okay. You don't know. patient. Thank you for attention in my presentation. Thank you.